In this video, I'm going to talk about what generative AI does and how it will help or, make life worse for you if you are a software engineer. I'm creating this video because I know a lot of junior engineers out there struggle with the concept of AI. They don't want to learn AI. They think AI is a waste of time, or they think AI is going to take all their jobs. Well, in this video, I'm going to definitively explain to you whether any of this is true. So let me just give you the answer. The truth is, AI is not going to take your job, and AI is not something that is ready to replace engineers yet, or maybe even ever. What AI does is it tries to get the next word. So it is a glorified spell checker in a sense, and whenever you hear that it's nothing, like it's more than that, it's just marketing. AI is a glorified spell checker in the same way that when you're writing a text to someone and then your box tries to guess what you were actually trying to write, and sometimes it gets it right, sometimes it gets it wrong. AI is basically that on steroids. It tries to guess the next word that it needs to be said based on everything that's been said. So for very small problems, so for example, if I ask AI to reverse a string, it's going to be able to do that very well. And now if you are a junior developer, because I've been in that situation, you might be thinking, well, I don't know how to reverse a string. Well, the truth is, there's going to be a point where reversing a string is just going to be very simple for you. So yeah, it's not something that's very impressive. Now, when you then sit down and ask AI and say, hey, I have this very complicated system, it's a microservice, it uses a ton of different software, we're using several different languages, how do I add X feature? AI is going to struggle and not be able to do that because that requires a lot of context, a lot of intelligence, a lot of understanding about your customers and your users, and it requires a human to do human things and understand how human works. So it's very unlikely that AI is ever going to be able to do what we do as software engineers. So that's been my video, and yeah, please leave a like, comment, and subscribe, and have a nice day.